Hey everybody, Jeremy Blanton with 210 Consulting, and today I want to take a minute to go through how to add a Lightbox Gallery onto a page of your site. You can see here's a page inside one of my clients' websites, and she wants to put a nice photo gallery down here of images that when somebody clicks on, it's going to pop up on this page and not make them leave it, that they'll be able to look at a bunch of different pictures all from here. So to do this, it's a couple-step process, but first thing is you need to go and you need to install the Lightbox Gallery Plugin from WordPress, and then you need to come in here and set it up, and you can basically leave most everything default. The only thing you want to do that I found works best is to set down here what size you want your Lightbox to be. I want mine to be full, and we're going to explain that a little more in a minute, and then you hit Update Options. So once you've got your settings all done here, you simply then visit the page that you want to add your gallery to. And so we're here on the page, and I'm just going to put my cursor down here and come up here and hit the Upload Insert Media button. And then we're just going to simply find the images that we want to put on here, and I've got them actually saved over here on a Dropbox folder. And we're just going to grab 4 of these images here and pull them in quick. And so you can see it's starting to upload them into the site. And while it's doing it, I'm going to go in and start making a few changes here. So you want to make sure that you're filling in the title, the alternate text, and the description. The description is actually going to show underneath the photo like a caption would be. So you can do all kinds of stuff. If you wanted to use a little bit of HTML, you can actually put live links in there, all kinds of different things. So, you know, we've got the Hale Plantation Golf Course. And then we want to make sure that we come down here and we have it set to full size. Now, one of the things that I've done with these images to make things a little more uniform is I've gone ahead before uploading them to my site and used some functions inside my Mac to batch resize all of my images to 650 pixels wide. That way I can use the full size of the images and they're going to all match and be uniform throughout. If not, you might get one that's 800, one that's 1200, one that's 600, and it just doesn't look as nice. So I always set it that the width is all going to be 650 on them. So I've set that one. You would then go through and fill out all of the information on all of your other images as well. I'm just going to make sure quickly that they're set to full size so that we get the right sizes coming in here. And then I'm going to simply hit Save All Changes. And once I hit the Save All Changes button, you're going to notice now that these images come over here into a gallery. And I can tell the gallery how many pictures I want it to have it go across. What I found in this format for this site, 4 seems to be good. And you can see that there's pulled in 5 pictures. Now one of them here isn't an actual image on this page anymore, so I want to get rid of it. So I'm going to just simply click here on this image, come down, delete it, and continue to get rid of it off the page completely. And it's gone. So now when I go back here and look at my gallery, my 4 images are showing there. I can simply change this to say 4, insert the gallery, and now it's all here. So now when I go and I preview the changes on this page, you're going to see in a moment it's going to show our images down here, and when somebody clicks on one, it's going to show it in a nice 650 pixels. There's your next image, and your final one. And so that's how simple it is to set up. Now, one of the things you may run into is with some images that you might have on your site you want to exclude from the gallery, but you want it to show up on this page. If you run into something like that, I'm going to do another tutorial. I'll put a link right here so you can watch that as well. But I hope this helps.